Hey guys, welcome back to DIY Exotic Wear. My name is Tahira and I am the owner of Pretty Kitty Threads and DIY Exotic Wear. I am an exotic wear seamstress and also a sewing instructor. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a lettuce hem. You guys may have noticed that this has been trending lately. It's coming back. When I was younger, like, lettuce hems were the thing. As you know, fashion always comes back around. So lettuce hems are back in and I am so here for it. I figured out how to do a lettuce hem with a sewing machine only. You can also do this with the serger, but I do not like the way that it was coming out with the serger. I like the way it looks better on the sewing machine. You need, of course, your fabric, whatever you want to add the lettuce hem to, your thread, your sewing machine. I am using a Singer heavy duty. It will be linked in the description. And I'm going to be using a zigzag stitch. My length is at a 2 and my width is at a 6. Okay, so make sure you're in a zigzag stitch. So you're gonna take whatever it is that you're adding the lettuce hem to. I'm doing a crop top tie shirt. I just wanted to add that I did use our long sleeve crop top pattern. I will link that in the description. Obviously, I did alter a bit. I shortened the sleeves and I just changed the shape of the front. If you guys would like a detailed tutorial on how I did that using our pattern, please let me know. And I also will leave the link in the description to purchase that pattern. This is the sleeve. I'm gonna put the end of this under my machine, the end of the sleeve. So you see how I have my fabric right at the edge? So it's gonna hit the fabric and then go into the machine. So what you wanna do is you wanna pull the fabric from the back and from the front. Okay, so just watch. And your fabric it's gonna roll under. That's fine. So you see how we're only getting the very, very end. The more you pull it, the more wavy it will be. Make sure you're pulling from the front and from the back. And this is a super easy way to add some flair to an outfit. And you can do your threads different color. Like if I wanted to do a lime green thread, that would be a nice contrast. You can do so much with this. And then you'll notice, like, if you roll it up, because right now it's rolling under, which is fine, but if you roll it up, you'll notice that the ruffles will kind of stick up versus down. So those are just things you can play around with and pick what you like best. Coming back to where we started. And of course you're gonna double stitch. You're gonna reverse stitch to lock that stitch in because you don't want it to come apart. Okay. And you you have completed your lettuce hem. So this is what it looks like. Cute. And like I said, you could play around with your thread colors. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the other sleeve. So that's the other side. I don't even know which side is which. I think this is the side I just did. Okay, so now I'm gonna do the bottom part. I knew that was gonna happen. And I only have a little bit left. But as you can see, super wavy because I'm pulling for dear life. My fingers are like burning from pulling, but I like mine to look really, really wavy. Okay, how cute. Okay, let me get some bobbin because of course I don't have any pink bobbin already. Oh, I do have a pink. This is like a light pink, but it's okay because we still got dark pink on the top. Because baby, I am not about to be winding no bobbin for that little bit. Shoot. You won't even be able to tell. Sometimes we overthink little things like the trigger. Let me tell you guys something. Most of the time, my thread is either white or black. If I am sewing light colors like lime green, baby pink, like a baby blue, a light blue, sky blue, I'm gonna use white thread because I'm not changing my threads to blue. I'm not changing them to lime green because guess what? When you use the white thread, you cannot even see it. Okay, now if you're doing a purple or a dark blue, or even a brown, you can use black thread because you're not going to be able to see that black thread with those dark colors. So don't really overthink it. Those are the main color threads I use, and hot pink because a lot of stuff I make is hot pink. So that's the only time I change my thread. I don't have a whole bunch of green thread. I don't have a whole bunch of purple thread. I have mainly white, black, and hot pink because those are the colors that I mainly use. So yeah, don't overthink it when it comes to these threads. We already got enough things to worry about when it comes to sewing. Don't make it more complicated than it has to be, because then that's gonna make you not want to do it. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like after trimming. Super cute. And it also comes with a wrap tie skirt, and I also did ruffles on that part. If you are interested in this outfit, I'll link it in the description. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you learned how to do this beautiful lettuce hem. This can really just add flair to an outfit, and it just looks really cute. So if you did enjoy this video, make sure you like and comment and let me know what else you guys would like to see. Thank you for tuning in, and I will see you all in the next video.